Who hates upma here? I definitely hated it. But I changed my mind once I tried this variation of upma, also called as kara bath from the state of Karnataka. And when you have it with this unique green neer chutney, this is at a whole different level. Now let us see how to make the hotel style kara bath and the chutney. For this, add 4 Kashmiri red chilies to medium hot pan. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of white sesame seeds. Dry roast this in slow to medium flame. Once you get a nice aroma, add 1 tablespoon of desiccated or dry coconut powder. Just roast this for a minute. The coconut powder does not have to change color. Now switch off the flame. Once it cools down, grind it to a fine powder. Our special Wangi Bath masala powder is ready. Next, add 1 tablespoon of oil to a hot pan. Then add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add 2 tablespoons of cashews. Fry it until golden brown and keep it aside. To the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1.5 teaspoons of chana dal, and a sprig of curry leaves. I am using dried leaves here as I do not have fresh curry leaves. Saute it and then add 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 2 chopped green chilies. Then add 1 chopped onion. Saute for a minute or 2. Now add some salt to taste. Saute until the onions turn translucent. Then add exactly half a cup of vegetables. I am using a mix of carrots, beans and green peas here. Saute and cook the vegetables for about 5 to 10 minutes. Next I am adding 1 cup of rava or suji. Mix and fry this until you get a nice nutty aroma. Make sure to fry it in low flame. It took about 6 minutes for the rava to turn aromatic. At this stage, add 1 chopped tomatoes. Give this a mix. Then add 3 cups of hot water. For 1 cup of rava, add exactly 3 cups of hot water. Mix for few minutes in medium flame. This rava to water proportion will give you a nice non-sticky consistency. At this stage, add half a teaspoon of turmeric and add 1 teaspoon of sugar. This will balance the flavors well. Mix it again. After 5 minutes, you will see the rava gets cooked and the water has all soaked up. Next, add the Wangi Bath powder we prepared. Add just 1 teaspoon. You can store the rest and use it for a month. Mix this again. Then add 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee here. Mix it well and switch off the stove. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Then add the fried cashews. Give this a mix once again. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of freshly grated coconut. Please do not miss adding the fresh coconut at this stage. Our kara bath is ready now. Next, let us prepare the neer chutney. It's a very simple chutney and can be quickly made. To a blender, add 3 cloves of garlic, half inch of ginger, some coriander leaves and around 10 mint leaves. To this, add half a cup of grated coconut, then add 1 tablespoon of roasted chana, 1 green chili and little tamarind pulp. Add salt to taste. Now grind this to a smooth paste by adding some water. This is how the consistency should be. The color will vary based on how much coriander and mint leaves you use. Now let's prepare the thalipu or tatka next. Add 2 teaspoons of oil to a small pan. When the oil is hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of chana dal, a pinch of hing, and finally some curry leaves. Fry this slowly in a low flame until the chana dal turns golden brown. Switch off the flame and pour it over the chutney. Then mix it well. Do you see how beautifully this is cooked? It is not sticky at all. Serve this with neer chutney by pouring it around the kara bath. I heard that this kara bath is an emotion for Karnataka people, just like biryani is an emotion for us in Tamil Nadu. So definitely try this and I bet you will love it. And thanks for watching.